Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Mate 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to disable the ringtone volume on this device. So first of all, you should go to the settings and here find the sounds and vibration, tap on that, and here you'll see the ringtone, and just by swapping with your finger on the left side you can disable the ringtone volume on this device. Also you can make that by the second way, just you can press with your finger on the volume button and here you will see the settings icon. Just tap on the icon and you will open the sounds and vibration settings, so you can disable your ringtone by this way. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.